In this video, I'm going to road test the Yamaha WR250R headlight that has a DZG H4 LED bulb installed against the Britannia Composites Lynx R fairing. If you'd like to see the comparison of the stock headlight versus LED, check out my link in the description. Overall, I think the winner is pretty clear, but the Britannia fairing does come with a price tag, although it does come with a lot of other advantages to be gained. If you'd like to know more about the Britannia fairing, check out my link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and make that bell ring for the latest videos. Cheers!